Well, much like every other day this week, it is another stormy day in our area. It's not a widespread rain event, but there are a good bit of some scattered showers and even some rumbles of thunder in our area, particularly now just to the southeast of Dillon, east of Florence, and east of Sumter as well, right near the King Street area, northeast of there, just now to the west of Aner. And we're also starting to see a few showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder pop up in western Horry County and in northern Georgetown County as well. And I am expecting this activity to continue throughout the rest of this afternoon into this evening and potentially overnight as well. For your day tomorrow, a very similar story to what we're seeing today. Some scattered showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder is possible, particularly throughout your afternoon hours. Temperatures starting out in the mid to upper 70s for the first half of your day, warming up into the lower 80s as we head into the second half of the day. And as of right now, the forecast is looking pretty nice for the upcoming weekend. Probably mostly sunny skies are expected for the first half of your day, with temperatures starting out in the lower 80s. We top out in the mid 80s as we head into the second half of your day. And once we get that daytime heating to combine with the sea breeze, there will be a few showers and storms possible. So bottom line, it's going to be a really nice weekend to go house hunting, but it just wouldn't be a terrible idea to have a rain jacket or an umbrella on hand in case you do encounter one of those pop-up showers or thunderstorms, but it will not be a widespread rain event by any means at all. However, not going to be the exact same case as we head into your Monday. Our next cold front will be arriving in our area. Very strong tropical low pressure will be dominating the eastern seaboard, and this will bring us a good chance for some scattered showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as we head into your day on Monday. But as of right now, it's not looking terrible, but there will be that chance for some showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as well. We are now looking at Tropical Depression 4. This is now east of Tropical Storm Brett. Maximum sustained winds are at 35 miles per hour. And looking at this thing on satellite imagery does not impress me at all. You can tell that throughout all the different levels of the atmosphere, you have a lot of changing of wind direction. The winds aren't all blowing in one direction at every level of the atmosphere, and that is a sign of a lot of wind shear already affecting this storm. And this is why the National Hurricane Center is not forecasting this storm to become a hurricane at all. And we can clearly see that right here in the forecast track. It will become the next tropical storm likely. The next name is Cindy, possibly as early as tomorrow morning, but it only gets up to 60 miles per hour. And then from there, it's just weakening and strength, potentially down to another tropical depression as we head into your day on Tuesday. So a lot of wind shear for the system to contend with. Thus, it is not a threat to anybody, including the United States as a whole either. And let's take a look at Tropical Storm Brett. Maximum sustained winds are now at 65 miles per hour as it approaches the Leeward Islands and the Lesser Antilles. It is probably bringing some very heavy rain right now to the island of Bermuda, but not anything too crazy as of right now. Once again, maximum sustained winds are at 65 miles per hour, and just like Tropical Depression 4, this storm is not forecasted to be a hurricane either, as there's a lot of wind shear all across the Caribbean that is preventing both of these systems from becoming hurricanes. And from here on out, I don't think we'll be seeing Brett strengthen even any longer. It'll only go downhill from here as it approaches Central America. So bottom line, there is no threats to anybody as far as the tropics go. Let's take a look at your extended 10-day forecast. First off, for our immediate coastline, and we are holding on to at least a decent shot at some showers and storms, especially for your day tomorrow, and also for your day on Monday. Those storms become isolated for your Saturday and Sunday, and then come next week, it is looking very nice, much needed after the stormy week we have had, with partly to mostly sunny skies almost every single day. High temperatures topping out right where they should be at this time of year, right around 85 to 86 degrees before falling to around 73 to 74 degrees overnight. Here's your forecast as you head further inland. Part of my graphic that should say inland 10-day forecast, but just know that this is the inland 10-day forecast and not the forecast for our beaches. And it's very, very similar. Scattered showers tomorrow, isolated chances for your Saturday and Sunday before that next cold front arrives in our area. And we are going back to scattered chances for your Monday, but come next week, a very nice forecast. Partly to mostly sunny skies every single day. Temperatures topping out right around where they should be this time of year in the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s before falling into the upper 60s overnight. Keep it here, Lings Weather, for all of the latest information.